Okay, this is the review for the 4-6 weeks test. Problem 1, what percent of the equilateral triangles below are shaded? Well, it's pretty clear we have 4 triangles that are shaded. Out of, how many triangles do we have total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 5 in each row times 4 rows, so that's 20 total triangles. So 4 out of 20 of the triangles are shaded. But we want to know the percent that are shaded. So to find percent, we need a denominator of 100. And I can get from 20 to 100 by multiplying by 5. Do the same to the numerator. 20 hundredths, 20%. Problem 2. In Mrs. Means 5th period class, there are 25 students. 5 students are in athletics, 6 students are in choir. If the rest of the students are in band, what is the ratio of band students to choir students? So the number of students we know that are in athletics and choir are 11, and they said the rest of the students are in band, so 25 minus 11 would be 14 band students. And then to write the ratio of band students to choir students, we take the number of band students, 14, over the number of choir students, 6, and that can be simplified. Divide by 2. You get 7 to 3. 7 to 3. Ratio of band students to choir students. List all the possible names for the polygon shown below. Well, right away I see that it has 4 sides, so I know it's a quadrilateral. Opposite sides are parallel and congruent, so that makes it a parallelogram. But a parallelogram with 4 right angles, 4 90-degree angles, is a rectangle. That would be the most specific name. These names go from most general to most specific. Actually, polygon would be the most general name, but they've already given us that one. Okay, there are the 3 names. Number 4, 1 cup of milk has 110 calories. So let's write a rate 1 cup for 110 calories. We want to know how many calories would be in a quart of milk. So I want to put quart. I have the cup of milk on top. I want to figure out how many cups are in a quart, so I can write the other side of this proportion. So if you remember big G, we have 4 Q's in 4 quarts in a gallon. In each quart there are 2 pints, and in each pint there are 2 cups. So in 1 quart I have 4 cups. 4 cups. And I want to find out how many calories, X. So a couple ways we can do this. You can see that you get from 1 cup to 4 cups by multiplying by 4. You could do the same here. And you would get 110 times 4, 440. So 440 calories. Remember, if you set up a proportion and you don't see a way to get across with a factor, you can always use bat and ball, which would give us the same answer in this case. Multiply the bat. 4 times 110 is 440. Divided by 1 is still 440. So 440 calories. Okay, I'm going to pick up the review with problem 5 on the next video.